I used to be my own worst enemy. There was this constant critic living inside my head, a relentless voice that pointed out every single flaw, every mistake I ever made. It felt like I was trapped in a mental civil war, constantly under siege from my own thoughts. I was exhausted. I felt broken, and I didn't know how to make it stop. That is, until I stumbled upon a simple yet profound legend about two wolves. This story didn't just change my perspective. It handed me the map to win the war within. We all have this internal battle raging inside of us, don't we? It's that constant push and pull, that fight between the person we are right now with all our doubts and fears, and the person we know, deep down, we have the potential to be. It's the conflict between our lesser instincts and our higher selves. According to a powerful, ancient Cherokee legend, this very battle is personified by two wolves locked in an eternal struggle for control of our spirit. Understanding this legend is the first step to finally choosing the victor. The story goes like this. An old Cherokee elder is sitting with his grandson, looking into the crackling flames of a campfire. He wants to teach the boy about life, about the world, and about the turmoil that can exist within the human heart. He turns to his grandson and says, "A fight is going on inside me. It is a terrible, fierce fight, and it is between two wolves." The grandson, wide-eyed, leans in closer. The elder continues, "One wolf is evil. He is the embodiment of anger, of envy, of sorrow and regret. He is greed, arrogance, and suffocating self-pity. He is guilt, resentment, and a feeling of inferiority. He is the father of lies, of false pride, and of the ego that separates us from others." The old man's voice is low and serious, painting a vivid picture of this dark, snarling creature that lurks in the shadows of our minds. This is the wolf that whispers that you're not good enough, that you'll never succeed, that you should be jealous of others' success. It's the voice of despair. Then, the elder's expression softens, a gentle light returning to his eyes. "But there is another wolf," he says. "The other wolf is good. He is joy, peace, and unconditional love. He is hope, serenity, and true humility. He is kindness, benevolence, and the empathy that connects us all. He is generosity, truth, compassion, and unwavering faith. This is the wolf that reminds you of your strength, that encourages you to be kind to yourself and others, that fills you with a sense of purpose and a belief in a brighter tomorrow. It's the voice of your soul," the elder explains. "The same fight is going on inside you, and inside every other person, too." The young grandson thinks about this for a minute, his brow furrowed in concentration. The image of these two powerful wolves battling for his spirit is a heavy one. Finally, he looks up at his grandfather and asks the question that hangs in the air. "Grandfather, which wolf will win?" The old Cherokee elder looks at his grandson, a knowing, gentle smile spreading across his face. And he simply replies, "The one you feed." That simple answer holds the key to everything. That critical voice in your head, that feeling of not being enough, that anxiety that keeps you up at night. You control its diet. You decide which wolf gets stronger. Every single day, with every single choice, you are feeding one of them. Think about it. Every time you doom scroll through social media and let envy creep into your heart, you're feeding the evil wolf. Every time you compare your life to someone else's curated highlight reel and feel inadequate, you're tossing a scrap of meat to that dark creature. Every time you dwell on a past mistake, replaying it over and over, you're nourishing your regret and self-pity, making that wolf bigger, stronger, and louder. Conversely, every time you take a moment to practice gratitude, even for the smallest things, you are feeding the good wolf. Every time you choose kindness over judgment, whether for yourself or for someone else, you're strengthening that force for good within you. When you celebrate a small win, when you offer a helping hand, when you choose to believe in your own potential despite your fears, you are feeding the good wolf. You are nurturing peace, hope, and compassion. So, I have to ask you, which wolf are you feeding today? Right now, in this moment. What did you feed it this morning when you woke up? What will you feed it tonight before you go to sleep? This isn't just a quaint story. It's a practical guide for living a better life. It's about conscious choice. It's about taking responsibility for your inner world. If this story resonates with you, if you're tired of the internal civil war and ready to consciously choose which wolf wins, then subscribe and join our pack. This is what we're all about. Every week, we explore stories and strategies just like this, one powerful ideas that help you feed the right wolf, silence the inner critic, and build a life filled with peace, purpose, and genuine joy. We're a community dedicated to becoming the best versions of ourselves, one thought at a time. Click that subscribe button, and let's walk this path together. And as you go about your day, I want you to remember this. The wolf that wins is not the one that is naturally stronger. It's not predetermined. The winner is simply the one you feed the most. Stop nourishing your fears and start fueling your courage. Stop feeding your self-doubt and start nourishing your self-belief. The battle for your mind, your peace, and your life is one thought, one choice, one meal at a time. Choose wisely. Feed the good wolf. Thank you for listening.